Atlas is an exceptional glider that is very aerobatic, which means it does a lot of stunts. It can do loops, it can do turns, it dives. It's a very fun plane to fold and fly, and it is so easy to make that I'm going to teach you how to fold it in literally 60 seconds or less. So grab your sheet of paper. It can be 8.5 by 11 inch or A4 paper, whatever you have on hand. And we're going to begin in 3, 2, 1, go. Fold this edge to your left edge. Open it up and fold triangles almost to the center, but leave just a little bit of a gap on either side. And then fold your top point all the way down to the bottom, just like this. And fold a band so that your edge here lands right on that edge behind it, so it'll look just like that. And then fold this back up as far as it can go. Flip it over, fold it down as far as it can go. And then fold your plane in half. And fold wings parallel to your bottom edge. Flip it over, fold the other side to match. And then fold little fins up like this. And there you go. You have a finished paper airplane. All you're going to need at this point is to set your fins like this and to add just a little bit of up elevator on either side, and that'll help it fly nicely and do those stunts. And with that, thank you so much for watching, and good luck flying your plane.